what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. We are back with another Best Barbers in the World reaction. Listen, we already know one or two or three or four things, all right? First thing, we already know these not finna be the best barbers in the world. I'm gonna just put that out there. It's just not, all right? Number two, it's probably gonna be a couple of click the link in the bios, okay? Click at the link at the bios. It's probably gonna be a couple of them promoting. And three, you never know what I might say, all right? Stay tuned. All right, so we are back. Let's jump right into it. Let's go. Hey, yo, man. I hate when people play with you in a chair. Nah, man, don't spray no water on me. This looking crispy, though. This looking nice. A little too much on the enhancements at the tip right here. You could have just brushed some of that off, but overall, I don't know if this isn't me. Did he go too deep in on that C cut? But overall, it's a good cut though. I ain't gonna be too harsh on it. Overall, good cut. Nice one. Okay. This dude, he know how to cut. He know how to cut. Nice and crispy, straight line. All right, sponge curl on top. Looking nice. Looking nice.
Your bar push you back like this because you got two balls.
Here's another click at the link at the bio.
That's where your boy come in. I prep the skin and start in the middle and then go to the left side and make it even on the right side.
Yes, sir.
They go to natural crisp before enhancement, then here you go after enhancement.
And I know you tired of getting pushed back like this. So if you're located in or around Tupelo, Mississippi,
up a little
click
bit
that
on
link
that
in
one
my bio
side,
to put
starting
your next
to,
appointment. But my boy sliced
overall, it's a good cut.
and diced. You already know.
Overall, it's a fire cut. I'm gonna be honest. There's some areas I could have seen where he went up a little too on one side, but overall, we already seen this one. Let's be real. This is probably like another cut of the same person. I think I like the other one better. I don't really like that blend on this one. I don't know. It just, you got too much bulk around here in this area. It's just not blended like the other one was. I'm not feeling this one. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not feeling that one. Yeah. They always got the same beat, man. Change it up. Nice blend. Nice blend. Nice cut. Is this the same person over and over and over again? Who is this guy? It's nice. It's nice. Although I don't know what he's doing with the top. Bro, you gotta stop playing with the white stuff though, bro. You gotta stop playing with the foam on these clients' foreheads, bro. That's a whole pause.
My client wants to keep his sideburns. He's tired of having a baby face. He gets a mid-fade, so most barbers will cut off his sideburns or not connect them properly to the lineup. Instead, I make sure not to touch his sideburns when doing the fade. Then I shape it up first and fade it after to ensure that connection. I hit the curve with the razor to get everything looking sharp, and boom, got my mans looking grown. He came in young and dumb, but he left old enough to get some rum.
No!
If you're in the Baltimore area, you need this type of service,
no!
Click that link in my bio to book your appointment.
No! 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 You! First of all, that blend is not it. Second of all, come on with the sideburns. A fade and a sideburn never works. A fade and some sideburns, and not only that, you left that thing thickety thick. Pause. That wasn't it. This is cool. Man, that wasn't it. I'm still thinking about it like, nah, bruh. You should have recommended him not keep those sideburns, bro. Or or just did like a shadow taper. That way it connect. You don't do a ball fade and some sideburns, bro. All natural. All right, all natural. Let me get in the right headspace here. I'm not. I just felt like enhancements would have set that cut off. And I felt like we seen this guy again already. I don't know if it's just me. No, this is the first cut that I said, come on, man, what y'all repeating for? This is the first cut I said that it kind of looked like he got pushed back in the C cup a little bit, but...
Okay.
I'm him. Not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
What was the worst haircut it's been?
All right,
Like,
here we go.
use that
The
little
whole
black spray
consultation.
stuff. I got the shower and I washed all the black shit out my hair, and it was big ass patch right there.
No. Yeah, they did you in. They did you in. Alright, my man's not talking, so I guess this isn't a click a link in the bio. What was you doing with that? What was you doing with that? I like this one. I like this one. This is a crispy cut. But what was you doing with that? Let's get back to that. What was you doing with that, man? Like, where were you going with that? You know what I'm saying? Okay. I ain't saying nothing. I'm just saying, where were you going with that? I just want to know. Got the enhancements on. I would have took the ash off before I applied the enhancements, because you never want to get the enhancements on the ash line. Nice and crispy though. Definitely nice and crispy. Oh my goodness, man. You taking a little too much off though, man. Come on, man. You pushing the limits. You pushing the limits, bro. Push the limits on that one. I seen how much you was taking off on the other end behind that blade, bro. Let's relax. Let's relax. It's clean.
My client hasn't had a cut in months.
Ease up off that line.
I cut his hair
though.
down and notice he has cowlicks. No worries, I followed the growth pattern so it doesn't patch like this. Hit his hairline, starting in the middle and slanting my stroke to cut against the cowlick. Then I matched the other side so everything's symmetrical. Lay the top down with some styling, then attack the bottom of his beard. Making sure it fits his face, not cutting it too high
Don't
like
click
this.
the link in the
Shape
bio
up his beard with my razor, making sure I get that curve right. And of course, get them flyaway hairs. And boom.
Don't click.
If you're in the Baltimore area, you need a transformation, click that link in my bio to book your appointment.
Click it, the link in the bio. That's a decent cut. That's a decent cut. That's decent. Sometimes you don't know where they going with these haircuts, man. Sometimes you just don't know. Like, where is he going? That's decent. That's decent. I feel like he's taking that taper up a little too high, but I don't know if he likes it like that, but I don't like them super duper high tapers when it goes way too up here. I don't know. That's just me. I don't like those. I like a tight blend when it comes to a high taper, especially when it comes to wavers. I don't like how you gouged them in the front right here and then just tried to fade it in the back. Let's point that out. It looks faded right here, then it looks like you just went over here and just faded in the back.
And we want to blend the cowlick in on the front line so he doesn't look like this. So I cut the cowlick in his natural growth pattern. Lay the hair down with some mousse and prep the line with Barbasol in a hot towel. Apply hold and spray.
Is it me or does everyone sound the same?
They go to before and then the after. If you had the same problem, what's your problem? So I click the link in my bio to book your next one.
Who's doing this? Who's behind this? Why does everyone sound the same? I know I'm not tripping. I didn't did a lot of these best barbers in the world compilations, and almost every one of them sound the same. Like, real talk, y'all. If y'all seeing this right now, how do you expect to stand out when you're all saying and sounding the same? How do you expect to differentiate yourself, set yourself apart? Be an
You have a widow's peak,
individual.
we gonna fix that.
When you're
cut
all
him down
saying the
and lay him
same and
down.
doing the same
Talking
thing.
about his waves, of course.
You guys are talking about problems that you need to solve. You're showing us the
Cutting
problem.
that peak off,
Problem you
moving
need
straight
to
to the
solve.
left, then
And
coming
then
back
if
to the middle
everyone
to
is
make sure
doing
everything
that,
connects. Then I do the same on the other
how
side,
do I
making
know
sure
which
everything's
one is
symmetrical and not
you?
slanted like this. And boom, I got him in there.
Clicking the link in the bio.
Drippin' little baby like I got on sweatwear. Really was trapping like 10 years. I got on Jordans, I got me like 10 pairs. I gotta get to the cash, yeah.
If you're in the Baltimore area and your hairline's wavy or pointy, click that link in my bio to book your appointment.
My client has a natural slope in his hairline. We want to prevent him from looking like this. I knocked the front hairline down, apply holding spray, then thin out the front line. And then I started in the middle and put a slight curve in the corner so his hairline doesn't be round like this. If you have a similar problem and you're located in the Mississippi area, click the link in my bio to book your next appointment. But my butt sliced and diced, you already know it.
If you guys want me to keep doing this, let me know in the comment section below. I'm speaking from the heart. I'm speaking real talk right now. This might be the last of them. This might be the last of them. Be real with y'all. Everybody is clicking the link in the bio. Why? Why is everyone saying the same thing? Click at the link in the bio. And you wonder, all right, I'm out, y'all. Peace.